Here I've provided some characteristics of anxiety disorder and two definitions that are tied to anxiety disorder. The first being panic disorder, which is really just another word for anxiety attack, and phobias. And also on the slide, I have different strategies to help teach students that exhibit anxiety. The first being promoting positive self-talk, which means to encourage the student to speak about themselves in a more positive light. So it's a matter of switching language from saying, I can't do that, to I don't know if I can do that yet, or even going more positive, I can do that. Another strategy is to reward brave behavior. So when the student decides to speak up in front of the class, if that's something they have anxiety about, or if they decide to do an extra credit presentation in front of the class, something that it's rewarding, something the student wouldn't normally do. Another strategy is to provide constant reassurance and validation that the student is on the path to success. Another strategy is to encourage independence. And then what I feel is the most important strategy is to remind the student that making mistakes is okay. We're only human, we're not perfect.